Have you ever wondered what happens when you feed your plants just one spoon of this natural miracle? What you're about to see feels like nature awakening right before your eyes. Dull leaves turning lush green, weak stems standing tall, and new growth appearing faster than expected. Take 1 liter of water and add 1 tablespoon of oats. As you stir, the oats release valuable nutrients that help improve soil structure and support strong root development. They also provide natural minerals that plants use for healthy growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of yeast. As you mix, the yeast introduces beneficial compounds that encourage root activity and help plants absorb nutrients more efficiently. It also supports stronger stems and healthier overall growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. As you stir, the sugar helps activate the yeast and boost microbial activity in the soil. This creates a healthier growing environment around the roots and improves nutrient availability. Keep stirring well until everything is combined. This turns these simple ingredients into a natural fertilizer, rich in plant-supporting nutrients and beneficial compounds. Pour this mixture directly around the base of your plants. As it reaches the root zone, it helps support stronger roots, greener leaves, and steady new growth. For a leaf spray, strain the mixture well and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray lightly on both sides of the leaves. This helps leaves stay healthy, vibrant, and better able to support plant growth. Use this fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks on flowers, vegetables, and indoor plants. Happy gardening and enjoy watching your plants thrive naturally